Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to just share a little message, a little motivation to that girl that has 10,000 dreams, the little girl that has so much just personality and knows exactly what she wants and exactly how she wants to do it. Baby, to you, this channel is for her. This channel is for him. This channel is for the people that have in their heart what they want to do, and their dreams are big and it's huge, and everyone wants to tell you what to do, or they want to tell you that you can't accomplish your dreams. Like, I'm here to say you can. This life is beautiful. This life is messy. It's full of surprises, but do what you want to do. Do what you love to do. I love what I do. I love being a mom. My life is fucking chaotic, but it's in the most beautiful way, and I love everything about it. And this is just here for me to give you the real, the raw, and really share my journey. Get in. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and watching my second video, and I'm so happy.
The nose. Oh my God! Help me, please. Okay, I got my girl Sid. We are going for a day on the town. It'll be night by the time we go back. And she's in the H-town, and we're gonna go and see what we can see. We are about to drink our tea. And it's just little cups. This is so cute. And it's so cute, crazy because Sydney was in my first 2 YouTube videos, and now you're gonna be in my resurfacing video. Cheers! Cheers! That was the LA combo. We're adults. We're adults now. We were adults then too. We were adults, like that. You know, we're like baby adults. We're big girl adults now. And we're at this all-you-can-eat sushi place. Can you? Everything is gonna get ate today. Okay, believe it. To go and get my hair done. Literally wobbling like
here we are. I'm about to get my hair did, and I'm gonna be a brand new person when you see me again. Hold this right here. Wave hand. We made it to the hospital. We are 37 weeks and 5 days. I still have my face mask on. It's on. We're here. And the baby's doing good. I'm doing good. Dad's doing good. King is safe. And yeah, we should have a baby in a couple of hours. Baby daddy, how do you feel?
Exciting. Yeah, it's exciting.
It's a baby girl. So today is day 3 of being in this funky ass, I guess it's not funky, but being in the hospital. I'm ready to go home. Patient is gone. Baby got here safely though, y'all. It was beautiful, interesting experience. My water didn't break with my son, so just even the fact that my water breaking is just like a crazy ass experience. But I'm in some pain, just to be expected, but I think I'm more excited to go home than the pain. So I'm like, get me out of here. I don't care. I haven't taken her to a nursery for a little while, so I can have a little bit of like personal time. There was no such thing because so many people were coming in, from finances to nurses to doctors, so I didn't really get that time. But I mean, at least I got a little rest. But she'll be back soon, and I'll keep y'all updated.
There is that way. King in here. Who is it? What's her name? Baby Sissy? I can't pick you up though. I know, baby Sissy.
The things we adjust by is different. The company.
Okay, so I have decided to stay at the house a little bit to come and get my nails done, but because I'm still recovering from surgery, I cannot drive, so I'm in Uber. 2 kids and the doctor is wild. Like, we got this in itself is a whole experience. Bless her heart. This is my second day out of the house. The salon with baby girl. She's right there. And my mom. Say hi. Hi. We are going to the salon to look at the renovations that they've made. I'm super excited. By the same place that Christmas special. Let me see.